Aligned ba sa negosyo mo? Anak, akala mo ba basta may skilled staff ka na okay na ang negosyo mo? Nako, maling thinking yan. If your people don't know your business culture, you will always struggle. Yan ang na-discover ni Wendy sa kanyang cafe. At first, kala niya skills lang okay na. So, nag-hire siya ng barista who could make latte art, servers who could move fast, and kitchen staff who knew recipes. Pero kahit na magaling sila, the service felt inconsistent. Some were friendly, others cold. Some cared about customers, others just wanted to finish their shift. So soon, na-realize ni Wendy, ang problema pala was not the skills, it was the lack of shared culture. So sa tulong ko, she sat down and defined her cafe's culture clearly. Sabi niya, we bring people together through coffee. We support local farmers. We served with warmth, like family. And when she started communicating this, something shifted. Applicants who did not care about those values stopped applying. Yung mga nag-care, yung mga nag-agree sa mga values na yon, they became more excited to join. Etong lesson, anak, you cannot attract the right people if you cannot explain who you are. Defining culture is like setting the recipe of your business. Without it, kahit na anong ingredients ang ilagay mo, the taste won't be consistent. Kaya anak, bago ka mag-hire, linawin mo muna. Ano ang mission ng negosyo mo? Ano ang values na hindi pwedeng mawala? And once it is clear, you will see the right people naturally will gravitate toward you. And that's how you become business-minded, Pinoy. And if you want to avoid common business mistakes, the course for you is Business Basics for Business Owners. Nasa baba ang link ha.